So I recently noticed fluid dripping from the top of my hood, and when looking down here at the power steering hose, I'm seeing a lot of fluid on there, so it's safe to say this needs to get replaced. So coming under from the driver's side, I put some boxes down to help deal with the mess that we're about to make. So it looks like it's this hose right here where it's leaking, a lot of fluid all over it. Using a crescent wrench, I'm able to get this free. And now I can start working this off with the crescent wrench to get this hose off. And there we go. Got that off, and you can see it's going to make a big mess, so good thing I have some cardboard boxes down. And here you can see the other part of the hose we got to take off. Now coming from the top, using a crescent wrench again, and we can just slowly work this guy off. And there we go. Got the top part off. Now I can just reach in here and take the hose out. And there we go. Got the hose out of the truck. And here it is. So it's either the rubber gasket or the actual metal part that's broken. Either way, we're just going to replace the whole hose. And here's a nice little mess that we made. So I have the new hose next to the old hose. Going to make a huge difference. It comes with new gaskets as well, so should be a pretty easy install the way this thing came out. Now going to feed this guy in here and line it up the same way. Just pulling it in from underneath to get this part lined up. Now I got the top and the bottom lined up, and you can see I looped it around the same way it came out. Going to use the crescent wrench again to tighten this down. Now coming from underneath again, got this lined up, so we'll just need to tighten these guys both down now. And there we go. Got both of them tightened down. Pretty simple to do. And now the last thing we got to do is just put new power steering fluid in and make sure we don't have any leaks. So pulling the cap off, we'll just need to fill it to the cold fill line on this little stick here. All right, got it running. I've moved the wheel all the way to the left and the right with nothing spraying or leaking anymore, so should be all fixed. Again, super easy to do. Hope the video was helpful, and thanks for watching, guys.